Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe we're going to be working on. We're going to be removing the cabin filter and replacing it with a new one. The cabin filter is located up inside the dashboard, up in here, so you just have to open up your glove compartment. And then what we're going to do first is we're going to take off this little clip on the side right here. It's a little piston that holds it in place. So you can just squeeze it in a little bit and then pull it. Alright, we just pop that right off here, and then what we're going to do is you're going to go inside the box itself, and you have these little clips inside the box. You just pull them towards you, and you pull them right out. Same thing on this side over here, in the box here. You just get your fingernail underneath the bottom of it, and you pull that clip out. Pulls right out, and then just lower the box down. And when you lower the box down, I'll show you what's inside there. That's where it's located. And what you do is just squeeze this clip here and squeeze this clip here, and you slide the filter right out. Pulls right out. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just push the filter slightly over to the side. Same thing here, you need to unhook that right there. Push it over this way a little bit. Take the filter out. Now, just so you know, there's arrows on the side of the filter that show you which way the air flows. And we're going to put it back in the same way it came out. Slide it in to the housing. And then you push this in very slightly. And get it behind the clips. Make sure your tabs underneath the tab here, here, and here, everything is exactly as it belongs. And then you bring the filter back over into the dashboard. You're going to replace it. And basically just slide it back in the way you took it out. And you'll hear it snap in. All snapped in. And what you do is you just lift up the box. You take the clip that you previously took out and you push it. Some light there for you. Okay. Same thing on this one. Just put it inside the box like that. Snaps in place. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come back over to where you disconnected this little shock absorber, and you just push that back on. Snapped in place. So you can see that's really not that bad. It's a fairly simple job. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.